This is the paper presentation for HDL, and my topic was SOC application. So the paper that I had selected was this one: Modular Signal Processing Unit for Motion Control Applications based on System on Chip with FPGA. The problem statement was basically that there are motion control systems out there which have become an industry standard, which have a distributed architecture. So in this paper, they have designed a modular device which can process signals from multiple sensors. So it will have multiple input-output devices, and it will be able to take multiple signals at the same time and process them together. This system can be integrated with standard motion control systems that we have in use in the industry, and it is intended for applications which require IO systems which are beyond the standard that is in industrial use. The hardware platform selection was selected such that it should have FPGA programmable logic for certain features, as well as a multi-core CPU for the remaining features. And in the paper, they have conducted a survey, after which they have finalized the Mercury platform from the company named Enclestra, which they have used in the final their final design. This module is compatible with both Intel and Xilinx SoCs. So what this basically enables the end user to do is it can be used freely with a combination of different SoCs from both these vendors. These are the feature comparisons that they have used in order to select different boards. So you can see that they have compared Intel and Xilinx, and within Intel and Xilinx also they have selected two different vendors. So first they have the Mercury SA1 and the Mercury plus AA1 from Intel, and Mercury ZX5 and Mercury XU5 from Xilinx. The comparison of different parameters is given. So we have the CPU core, CPU clock, RAM size, RAM speed, onboard flash, FPGA speed, RAM size, etc., as well as the price. So in this you can see that the SA1 is one of the cheaper ones, but it has certain limitations which are overcome by the others. So the Xilinx ZX5 is a good trade-off between cost and features. The system architecture consists of firstly the CPU. So the CPU contains all the system on it is a system on module board which contains the RAM, flash, and other basic peripherals, as well as the power input, Ethernet connectors, and micro USB connector. Along with that, it has some basic interface components like LEDs, displays, mode switches, etc. And they have also provided a micro SD card slot. Apart from that, they have some module boards which basically contain the USB ports, the CAN bus, and the RS422 or the RS485 interface. Apart from that, they have a backplane board and an input-output card boards. So this is the overall diagram of the system architecture. So they have a backplane mode. They have a CPU board which contains the actual FPGA and all the peripherals and all. They have the sub-modules, and they have the input-output cards. Thank you.